Good morning, guys. It is a beautiful November 1st morning out here. All that work yesterday has led to today, which is more work. So I'm going to get after it. I got the mill all set up, fueled, lube, bottles full. Let's get a log on the deck and start making fence boards. Now, if you were asking yourself why I cut these into 6-foot lengths instead of leaving them longer and cutting the fence boards to length afterwards, this is it right here. Even in the 6-foot log, there's so much taper that I'm gonna have to make a couple cuts to get to a working surface. And if it was twice as long, just twice as much taper, and I get the least amount of waste doing it this way. Now to maximize my yield, I'm setting these flitches aside. I'll put them up on their edge, and I think I can probably get 2 boards out of each one of these flitches. And then I'm gonna set my cants aside and mill probably 3 cants at a time. So every time I make a pass, I get 3 boards. And I think that's probably gonna be the most efficient way to get through these smaller logs. Well, guys, the calendar says November 1st, but the weather is saying May 1st. It is absolutely beautiful. I had to take off my hoodie. It's too hot. But anyway, I've got 3 cants now. I'm going to get these other 2 back up on the deck. I've got a ton of flitches. Every time we make a pass with the mill now, I'll make 3 fence boards. I'm trying to get all the small logs done first. That way, as the day goes, I get into the bigger logs that aren't so labor intensive. Make the day go easier as it goes. So let's get these back up on the deck and make some boards. Let's see. More effort than it's worth. I'm going to do these one at a time. Now I'm running a 747 blade, and it's not even a fresh blade. I milled some Douglas fir with it last weekend, and this thing is just cutting awesome. Those are going to make some beautiful fence boards. Well, I've got about 200 of the 300 boards I was trying to get done this weekend. I've got to go clean up that excavator before I take it back tomorrow if I ever want to use it again. So now that the mill's all set up and the logs are decked, I can tinker around a little bit every night after work. I got to figure out where I'm going to come up with the logs to get that the rest of that 750. I came into the weekend with an order for 950 and I had 100 added to it. So I'm certain it's not there. Over this week, we'll see what we can get out of it and go from there. I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you on the next one.